How about if I get a picture of you and your best friend? Come here. Mary, get in there. Susie, get in there with her and her best friend.
You're in the middle. You're my star.
These girls, well, tell Susie the story. These girls have been friends since they're 5 years old. And you were in her wedding, right?
Yes.
They've been in each other's life forever, and you're never going to stop being in each other's life, right? All right. How did I get the...
Is it on? Hold on.
Is it on? Oh, it's on. All right, ready? All right. Celebration smiles. One more. Mommy, get in there. Mommy, get
Yeah, those three. The three young girls.
All right, ready? One more.